Mon Reyes. I'm a registered nurse. I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker. Alright? Napagdaanan ko na po halos lahat. Dati akong empleyado, naging OFW. I've been in business for more than 20 years now. Kumbaga, napagdaanan ko na po lahat. Pero right now, I'm a full-time affiliate member of Live Good and I'm one of the business coaches here. Bakit? Kasi po sa Live Good nakita ko na matutupad yung mga pangarap ko. Alright? Hindi ko na po ginagawa yung iba kong mga ginagawa dati. Ito na lang po talaga yung kino-concentrate ko. Alright? I don't know where you're coming from right now. Alright? You may be a mother of 3, tapos you're struggling to make ends meet. Tapos ngayon namomroblema ka kasi iniisip mo yung future nila eh. Hindi mo alam kung mapapag-aral mo ba sila. 'Di ba? Then just listen to this presentation because Live Good is for you. Okay? Pwede namang starting ka lang. You may be starting with your career tapos talagang nakita mo na napakahirap ng buhay. Imagine ang from what I've heard less than 20,000 yata yung starting salary ngayon. Ngayon lalo ka nangangamba dun sa future mo. All right? If you're looking for another opportunity, then Live Good is for you. Alright? O baka naman successful ka sa buhay mo, ang ganda ng sweldo mo, ang ganda ng position mo sa company, however, you don't have time. You cannot anymore remember when was the last time you had a heart-to-heart talk with your kids. Kung time yung problema mo, Live Good is for you. Why? Because Live Good will give you financial freedom as well as time freedom. Alright? So this is an opportunity for you. This is an opportunity for everybody. Matanda, bata, may ipin, wala. Talagang this is for everybody. And you are considered to be fortunate kasi maririnig nyo ngayon tong presentation na to. And you would know more about Live Good. Alright? So, let me proceed with my presentation by showing you a video. A video of pretty much a bird's eye view or an overview of what Live Good is. How is it affecting the industry? And what's in store for you sa Live Good. Okay? So, eto na po. Pakinggan natin ang ating CEO to present to us what Live Good is.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example. Probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best selling non-organic super beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, Live Good, the most exciting company in the industry. Totoo po yan. Bakit siya naging most exciting? And this is for everybody. Kaya ako nasabi kanina, Live Good is a vehicle that will make our dreams come true. All right? Just imagine, with only $49.95, yun lang po ang babayaran natin para maka-join, para maging isang affiliate member ng Live Good. And then what? $9.95, wala pa pong 20 pesos isang araw yan, yung monthly subscription natin. Pero napakalaking pagkakataon na talagang kumita tayo, na talagang matupad yung ating mga pangarap. So, if you're here right now, and if you're new, and if you want to listen really kung ano yung what is in store for you, I want you to pay attention talaga dito sa presentation na to. All right? Because Live Good is for everybody. This is for you. Okay? So just to show you how we started actually, we had a global launch last December 13, 2022. Yes, ganyan po kabata ang Live Good kasi simula pa lang natin last December. Okay? And the business model is Full Sail Club membership. Nakita nyo, ibang-iba tayo pagdating sa business model pa lang, ano? And that's the reason why talagang exponential yung naging growth ng Live Good. Just to give you an idea of the growth, ayan po, December 2022 when we started, 2,000 pa lang yung members. In fact, we started here in the Philippines in January of 2023, 5,000 pa lang yung members noon. Came April, umabot na tayo ng 250,000 members. Nabigla na tayo dun sa biglang paglaki ng company natin. But right now, as we speak, umaabot na tayo ng 600,000 members. And yung target natin, yung prediction natin, December 2023, aabot tayo ng 1 million. More than 1 million members. In fact, the way we see it, baka November or October pa lang, maabot na natin yung 1 million na yan. Ganyan kabilis lumaki yung Live Good. Everybody wants to be in. And what are the reasons why they join Live Good? Number one, amazing product. Mamaya makikita nyo yung mga products natin talagang life-changing siya. And kahit gaano kaganda, kahit gaano ka-premium yung quality niya, napakababa ng presyo. Kaya incredible prices. That's our second reason. All right? So yun yung tungkol sa product. Let's now talk about the business side. Dito, wala nang auto shipping. Wala na yung maglalabas ka ng perang malaki para lang makuha yung commission mo for the month. Tapos na yon. Why? Because there's no monthly products to buy. You don't even need to buy products. You're not required to buy products here in Live Good. Pero sa ganda ng mga produkto, kayo mismo bibili. In fact, kami, we make sure that we always have the supply of products. Meron na naman kaming 2 shipping na padating. Alright? And then come September, baka may dumating na naman directly from the US. Alright? And then, sa ganda nga ng produkto, we are one of the few, if not the only, company that offers a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Ibig sabihin yan, for 90 days, gamitin mo yung produkto, ubusin mo. Isoli mo yung pinaka-container niya. Kahit basyo na, isoli mo. Sabihin mo, hindi mo nagustuhan. Ibabalik sa iyo yung pera mo. However, even if we're offering that, very few, if not none, yung nagre-return. That's why Live Good is the #1 business to join. All right? It's because of the opportunity that is open for you. Live Good opportunity. Unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products. Aminin na natin, mahal magpaka-healthy. 'Di ba? Kasi ano gagawin mo? You'll take organic fruits and vegetables lang. Mahal 'yan. Hindi mura 'yan. Ano pa, yung mga supplements, napakamamahal. Pero binago na ni Live Good lahat 'yan. That's why if you have a passion for health and wellness, if you have a passion for helping people, kasi dito talagang marami kang matutulungan. Matutulungan mo to be healthy at matutulungan mo rin to be wealthy kasi nga because of the opportunity. And if you are not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then you are in the right place. Live Good is for you. All right? By the way, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, pero this is a get-rich-sure business. Provided na gagawin mo ng tama yung business, provided na talagang isi-share mo yung opportunity sa ibang tao. All right? Just imagine this. Live Good is a club membership that pays. Unlike any other club membership, yung ibang club membership kasi, tanggap lang ng tanggap ng pera mo. This time, Live Good has decided to share their profits to their affiliate members. You can earn as a club member ka lang ha, you can earn as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Mamaya maririnig nyo paano yan. I'm saying this not for you to hindi para hindi ka mag-refer ng tao. I'm saying this kasi if ever lang na talagang hindi mo magawang mai-refer yung business, wala ka talagang makuha, wala kang successful referral dito, kikita at kikita ka pa rin. Ganyan ka-generous si Live Good. Okay, Live Good ako ng Live Good. Sino ba si Live Good? Alright. Live Good is actually a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and the digital industry. Imagine that, dalawang napaka-trending na industriya ngayon pinagsama sa isang kumpanya. Wellness, bakit? After what we have experienced with COVID, naging aware na tayo na kailangan natin maging healthy, di ba? Kaso napakamahal magpaka-healthy. Well, tinanggal ni Live Good yung problemang yon because this time you would be able to buy premium quality products at a very low cost. Okay? And then digital service. Also, because of the lockdown, naging trending ngayon yung digital service. Lahat ng bills natin, binabayaran natin online na. Pag nagsha-shopping tayo, online na. 'Di ba? Pinagsama ni Live Good yan. That's why Live Good is the best company to be in. All right? Live Good, we are based in Florida, USA. To be precise, in Jupiter, Florida, USA. Andun po yung warehouse natin, andun yung head office natin. Alright? And look at this, yung mission ng Live Good. The mission of Live Good is not company-centered. If you look at it, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Nakita nyo, affiliate member-centered siya. Mas center siya sa atin. Kasi yung iba, pag tinignan mo, ano mission ng company nyo? To be the number one network marketing company, to be the number one in ganito. Dito hindi. It's not company-centered, but people-centered. Alright? And to introduce to you kung sino talaga yung mga nag-start dito, who are the brains behind Live Good? Who are the people who are bringing us this opportunity? Number one, Ben Glinsky. Siya yung nagsalita kanina. Siya yung nagsalita sa video kanina when we started. He's very hands-on when it comes to this business. Nakita nyo naman, recording, pwede na naman niya i-delegate yan sa ibang tao. Yet, boses niya yung naririnig nyo. Okay, he has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Ben knows how to help people win. And yun yung talagang gusto niya. Lahat magtagumpay. Lahat, yung, alam mo yun, yung walang maiiwan sa laylayan. Dapat, when you join Live Good, you yourself would earn. And if you really do the business, you would definitely succeed. All right? And then what he did, he formed the team. He formed a team of good leaders. We have Ryan Goodkin. Ryan Goodkin is our Director of Product Development. Siya yung product formulator natin. Ang maganda kay Ryan, sinabi niya, this is from him, I formulate product not to sell, but for my family to use. Okay? As good father, you would not give your family anything that would harm them. Kaya advantage sa atin yon. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng product na bibilhin natin, lahat ng products na gagamitin natin would be safe. Alright? And then Lisa Goodkin naman, our Director of Product Education, she's a wellness coach. She's a wellness coach. Ang sabi naman niya, hindi lang enough for us to live long. Dapat yung ating life would be of quality. And that's her mission, for people to live longer with quality. All right? And then Nodar Kazan. Nodar Kazan is a legend when it comes to network marketing. He has over 40 years of experience and he has seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Ang maganda nito, when they started Live Good, tinanggal niya yung bad and ugly. At yung good, lalo pa nilang pinaganda. Bakit? Para sa mga lahat ng members na sasali ng Live Good. Alright? So, just think about it. Lahat ng benefits ng isang member open na para sa iyo. This is an opportunity of a lifetime and don't miss it out. Now, speaking of products, we have over 15 life-changing products. Actually, 19 na siya ngayon. Meron nang lumabas ng mga patches, CBD cream, meron na ring lumabas na collagen. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. And all of these products are life-changing. Bakit? Because if you regularly use our products, you would definitely feel the change in your health. You would feel the change in your nutrition, and therefore you would feel the change in your life. All right? Now, all our products came from the most purest natural ingredients from the most pristine location on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So, talagang very very much concerned tayo what goes in our product. And as much as that, we're also concerned with what stays out. Okay? Kaya tayo pure kasi wala tayong harmful ingredients na nasasama doon sa ating mga products. Talagang purest lang siya, tsaka kung saan maganda tumubo yung mga botanicals, doon natin hina-harvest. And of course, not to mention, world-class manufacturing facility. Ganon kataas ang standard natin, ganon kataas ang quality ng ating mga products. All our products are actually made in the USA, approved by GMP. Ano yung GMP na yan? Good Manufacturing Practice. Just to give you an idea, napakataas ng standards niyan bago sila mag-approve. Talagang ini-scrutinize nila lahat ng raw materials, yung manufacturing process, tinitignan nila lahat yan. Only after their standards are satisfied do they give their approval. And tayo, lahat ng produkto natin approved by GMP. Why? Because all our products are lab tested for purity and potency. Hindi lang pure yung products natin, talagang napaka-effective pa. Alright? And just to give proof to that, we are giving certificate of analysis for each and every product that we have. And this is available in our website. Para kayo na talagang you have to do your due diligence Talagang gusto mong malaman kung ano yung pumapasok sa katawan mo, 'di ba? And if it's harmful, hindi mo papayagang pumasok sa katawan mo. That's why we have this certificate of analysis for you. Para makita mo talaga ano yung tinitake mong mga products. And this is available for our website. Hindi natin tinatago yan. Unlike yung iba, tinatago yan or sometimes wala niyan. 'Di ba? Kasi yung iba produkto nila kinanaw lang sa likod bakuran tapos nilagay sa container, nilagyan ng label, binenta ng napakamahal. This time, napakaganda ng quality ng products natin pero napakababa ng presyo. Mamaya makikita nyo. And all our products are actually meant for wellness for all. Wellness for all. Kasi we have different products. Kanina nga nakita nyo, we have 19 na nga 19 different products. And each of the products, meron siyang specific na gagawin sa katawan mo. Okay, we have products for men's and women's health kasi nga magkaiba yung physiological needs ng lalaki at babae. We have for nutrition. 'Di ba? Kailangan natin 'yan kasi nagiging malnourished na tayo because of our lifestyles. Right? And the food we eat, talagang bumababa na yung ating nutrition. So we need that. Skincare, ito pampa-beauty naman to. Skincare and anti-aging. Pati yan sinama na natin sa ating line of products, di ba? At napakaganda ng mga produktong yan. Body cleansing, very important. We have to remove all the toxins in our body. And we have products for that as well. Immunity, again, another one that's very important. Why? Because it's our immune system that combats the diseases na pumapasok sa katawan natin. If mataas yung immune system natin, then definitely, most likely, hindi tayo magkakasakit. Weight management. Alright? Dalawang problema sa weight, either overweight or underweight. Either way, meron tayong products for that. Kung gusto mo magpapayat, meron. Kung gusto mo magpataba, meron din. Energy. Okay? Most of us are becoming lethargic already or yun nang hihina. Why? Kasi nga most of the time we spend our time in front of the computer. Daliri na lang nga yung ating nag-exercise natin because of our phone, 'di ba? So we lack exercise in the food we eat. Yung food na kinakain natin talagang nagdi-deplete ng energy natin. And we have also products for energy. At ang maganda nito, lahat ng products natin is available in over 200 countries worldwide. No, I'm not saying na meron tayong warehouses in all countries. What I'm saying is all our products are ready to ship. You order online, ipapack nila yan, isi-ship nila yan. And you can actually track where your product is kasi meron tayong link whereby makikita mo kung nasa na yung produkto mo. Kaya nga alam ko, nasa Philippines na yung products namin. Hinihintay ko na lang na dalhin dito ng post office, ng Philippine Post Office. Alright? So, and lahat ng products talagang dumarating. So maybe you are wondering already, okay, I want to I want to buy products. How do I buy products? Or how do I order products? Well, two ways. You can either be a consumer or a member. A consumer enjoys a retail low prices. Kasi hindi lang naman tayo yung may mga ganyang produkto. May ibang company din na merong produkto na katulad natin. And if you compare the retail price of Live Good with those of other companies, napakababa na nung presyo natin. But if you become a member, you pay even lower prices. In fact, yung mga members natin, they enjoy up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Yes, you heard me right. 75%. Bakit? Kasi sadyang napakamamahal ng mga produkto ng ibang network marketing companies. I'll tell you why. Kasi diyan nila kinukuha yung pambayad nila sa renta sa warehouse nila, yung pambayad sa country managers nila, pampasweldo sa lahat ng staff nila, pati yung commission ng mga highest income earners nila, pati yung commission ng ibang distributors nila. Doon nila sa presyo ng product kinukuha. Kaya yung products nila napakamamahal. Ang tawag dyan, price gouging. But if you look at this illustration, tinatanggal na natin yan. Kaya hindi natin nilalagay yung markup dun sa products natin. If you look at this illustration, parang David and Goliath. Si David, Live Good is considered David kasi nga kasisimula pa lang natin. December lang tayo nag-start. So we're relatively small as compared to other giants in the industry. However, these giants are still in the traditional way of price gouging. And we're putting an end to that. Okay? And I'm telling you right now, talagang nararamdaman na nila yung presence ng Live Good. Why? Kasi nga, sino ang bibili ng mas mataas na product if another product of better quality is available for less than half their price? Diba? Kaya nga sabi ni Noder Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. This is very true. I love the industry. I love network marketing. However, this is true. Dun sa traditional way of doing the business, only 1% lang talaga yung namamayagpag, yung tinatawag nating mga top income earners. And the rest, 99%, either nag-get by lang sila or yung iba lugi pa. Diba? Kaya nga ang laki ng turnaround ng mga distributors in other companies eh. However, sa atin since wala na nga yung price gouging na yan, wala na rin yung mga requirements of auto shipping, requirements of or being obliged to buy products, people stay. All right? Now, just to give you an idea, how do we differ from other brands out there? Let's say, for example, our CBD oil. Our CBD oil comes in either 750 milligrams or 1,500 milligrams. Yung ibang products dyan, yung pinakamalapit sa atin would be Green Roads and Young Living. Si Young Living tsaka si Green Roads, that's around 500 and 550 milligrams lang. So just imagine that. Yung 750 pa lang natin, that's 50% more than what they offer. Yet the price, $89.99, $79.95. Yung sa atin, $18. Ang laki ng matitipid mo. And remember, $1 saved is $1 earned. Kasi yung matitipid mo dyan, pwede mo na yung pambayad ng bills. Pwede mo na yung pandagdag dun sa enrollment ng anak mo. Diba? And what else? Our super greens, kung medyo hindi ka mahilig sa fruits and vegetables, but we really need it. Our body really need to have those nourishments, right? However, hindi you're more into fast food, you're more into fries, you're more into meat, diba? Then you need super greens. And look at this, ang pinakamalapit natin dyan, yet, ang layo ng quality would be Athletic Greens and Organifi Green Juice. And look at the prices, $99.99. 1 cent na lang, $100 na si Athletic Green. And then the other one, $69.99. Pero sa atin, if you become a member, you only pay $18. $18 for a higher quality Super Greens products. Okay? And then sabi ko, pampaganda, di ba? Check this out. Ageless Skin Serum. Kanina, sinabi ni Ben Glinsky at $59.50, they sold over 1 million. 1 million unit of their ageless or of their skin syrup. Right? Pero, ito ngayon, itong ageless skin serum, this is much better. as compared to other products. And look at the prices, $86, $59.50. Yung sa atin, $14.95. If you become a member, you only need to pay $14.95. Ganon kababa yung ating mga products. And ito, mainit-init pa. It was just newly launched last week. Collagen. Collagen, one of the considered to be a miracle supplement kasi ang dami-dami niya talagang nako-correct sa body natin, yung skin elasticity natin, even our cardiovascular system na affect niya. Okay? Sa iba it's available for $79.96, $69.95. Sa atin magkano? $27.95. Ganon siya kababa pero it's definitely of higher quality. Alright? Na-member ko kanina, there's a difference between retail price and member's price. Pakita ko lang yung difference. Our bioactive complete multivitamins for men and women. Okay? If you don't choose to become, if you choose to become a customer lang, you'll just buy at retail, you need to pay $17.95. But if you become a member, you just need to pay $9.95. Paano ba mag-member? Magbabayad ka lang ng subscription. You would just become, you just need to pay your subscription or your membership fee via monthly subscription. Alright? Pero ang laki ng matitipid mo once you become a member. Pauulit-ulitin ko to, $1 saved is $1 earned. Ano pa? Yung super greens na mention ko na kanina. Pag retail price, you get it for $29.95. Pero pag member ka, you only pay $18. That's almost $12 of savings. Ang laki nun, ha? And then organic super reds. Just to give you an idea, it's for our cardiovascular system. More specifically, dun sa blood flow natin. Kasi it serves as a vasodilator. Pag maganda yung blood flow natin, masusuplayan ng proper nutrients and oxygen yung every part ng katawan natin. Therefore, making it perform at its optimal state. Alright, retail price is $29.95 but members price $18. Ganun siya kababa. Now, we talk about weight management. If you want to lose weight, try this one. Healthy Organic Weight Management Coffee with mushrooms. Yan yung sinabi kaninang nakakabusog pero hindi nakakataba. Alright, retail price is $28.95. Members price, $17.95 lang. Napakababa. Pero if you're more into bodybuilding, body leaning, or body toning, dito ka naman, complete plant-based protein. Okay? Members price is $34. Retail price is $34, but members price is only $22. So saan ka pa? Would you be a consumer or a member? Sa ganda ng mga products, sa laki ng masisave mo, become a member. Be a member. Okay? Ito, pag pinagsama-sama natin yung 5 produkto natin, actually, we have a package na pinagsama-sama yung 7 products. That's only a total of $99. Pero pag kinompare mo dun sa ibang produkto na available in the market, having different brands, kailangan mo magbayad ng $278.75. Ang laki ng savings mo. And kanina sinabi ko, it's available everywhere in the world. Ito, proof na dumarating sa Pilipinas yung mga produkto. This picture was taken by one of our coaches. Nung dumating yung produkto sa kanila, I believe this is their first order of products, everything packed. Pinakita nila na talagang dumarating yung produkto. Kung hindi ka maniwala, eto, meron tayo dito. Yan. So you have no problem with shipping, you have no problem with the delivery kasi door-to-door ang delivery nila. All right? So the question now is, how do you become a Live Good member? Diba? Kasi ang laki ng benefit when you're a member. Number 1, you go back to the person who invited you and ask for their sponsors link. Diyan ka magre-register and then immediately pay for the month subscription of $9.95. Kung gusto mo makatipid, bayaran mo na yung 1 buong taon. Kasi yung 1 year is only $99.95. Makakatipid ka ng 2 buwang subscription. That makes you a member and you get to enjoy the wholesale price. Actually, it's more of a only a little over factory price or yung tinatawag naming members price. Yung baba ng presyo, ma-enjoy mo na yan. Yung savings, ma-e-enjoy mo na yan. So yung earnings mo, ma-e-enjoy mo na rin. Pero we're just talking about discount pag member ka. The question is, would you like to earn more? 'Di ba? Would you like to earn up to 2,000 or more? $2,000 or more. Huwag mo kakalimutan yung or more kasi yung or more ang talagang magpapayaman sa iyo. Now, for you who are interested, stay till the end of the presentation. Kasi I'm done now with the first part. I've already introduced to you the best na the business side, the company, as well as I introduced to you the product and how good the quality of the products are and kung gaano kababa yung mga presyo natin. Now, pag-usapan natin kung paano naman kumita paano kumita dito sa Live Good. Kasi nga sinabi ko kanina, makakapagpatupad ng pangarap mo. Hindi makakatupad ng pangarap yung mga $12 na savings. Pero itong susunod na presentation, ito yung mga tutupad sa mga pangarap mo. Alright? So if you want this kind of earning, you have to become an affiliate member. Ano ba yung affiliate member? Just to give you an idea, kasi si Live Good, hindi yan nag-a-advertise sa TV, sa radio, sa magazine, not even in the internet. However, as a company, kailangan malaman siya ng maraming tao. So how does he do that? Through word of mouth. If you're an affiliate member, i-refer mo ngayon yung mga kakilala mo to become affiliate members themselves, just like you. Okay? And you will be given an opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Makikita nyo how totally different, how fair, how just, and how generous our compensation plan is. Okay? But you have to become an affiliate member. The question is, paano ba maging affiliate member? Again, go back to the sponsor, to the person who invited you in this Zoom link, who gave you this Zoom link. Ask for their link and then register there and then immediately pay $49.95. Okay, ano yung $49.95? It's a one-time fee of $40 plus a $9.95 subscription for the first month. $49.95, wala pang 3,000 pesos yan. Wala pang 3,000 pesos yan. Ulitin ko, wala pang 3,000 pesos yan. And you're already an affiliate member. Okay? To remain a member, you just have to pay $9.95 monthly. Kasi nga yung $40, one-time fee lang yun eh. Pero I just want to emphasize, ganun kababa yung ating kailangan para maging affiliate member. Wala pang 3,000. Tapos yung monthly natin, $9.95, that's around 580 pesos. Parang 20 pesos lang isang araw, meron ka pang sukling 20. 'Di ba? Sino ang hindi kayang magtipid ng 20 pesos a day? 'Di ba nga sabi ng Corneto, hindi mo na kailangang gamitin yung 20 pesos mo sa Corneto. Ilagay mo siya sa Live Good, then definitely you will earn. You would have your dreams come true. Okay? Now, what do I get out of the $49.95? Kasi nga yung $40 diyan one-time fee, di ba? Number one, you become a member. You become a member. Buyers Club ka. We become the member of Buyers Club of Live Good. Right? Now, as Buyers Club, you get to enjoy the discount. Yung up to 75% discount as compared to other products in the industry. So, dun pa lang kita ka na ng malaki. Right? And then number two, you would receive digital marketing products. Meron tayong Power Landing page whereby makikita ang nagfi-feature doon yung video natin kanina, yung si CEO Ben Glinsky, siya yung nag-explain what Live Good is. Yan yung pinaka-tool mo to attract prospects to become affiliate members as well. Alright? And it's very effective. Very, very effective siya. In fact, yung mga landing page ko, minsan may mga nagjo-join doon kahit hindi ko pa kinakausap. Alright? And then what else? Meron ka pa ring shop, online shop. Para kang owner ng isang Shopee or Lazada whereby andun yung pangalan mo. And all the products of Live Good are available for people to shop. Yan yung mga ipamimigay mo doon sa mga gusto lang maging customer. Kasi lahat ng presyo doon are at retail price. And then what else? You'll have your back-end office. Again, online lang. Doon mo naman matatrack yung takbo ng business mo. Ilang tao na yung nag-join sa'yo, ilang tao na yung na-sponsor mo, ilang tao yung nakakita ng website mo, and what not. And ang maganda nito, it's actually username and password protected. Kaya ikaw lang ang nakakaalam ng nangyayari sa business mo in LiveGood. Okay? And finally, the most important thing, as an affiliate member, you get to participate in the compensation plan. Na ulit-ulitin ko, it's fair, it's just, and it's very generous. Talagang member-centered yung ating compensation plan. Alright? So, question is, if walang markup dun sa product, paano tayo babayaran ni LiveGood? Here's the thing. LiveGood is a membership club that pays. You pay your $9.95 a month subscription or $99.95 a year. Kaya makakatipid ka ng 2 months and LiveGood would pay you for that. All right? If you refer your friends to be an affiliate member like you, meron kang commission na matatanggap sa LiveGood. Mamaya makikita nyo. Just to give you an idea, ano ba yung mga membership club? Ito yung some of the popular membership clubs out there. Number 1, Amazon Prime. Si Amazon Prime nangongolekta sa mga members nila ng $14.99 a month or $139 per year. Ano namang binibigay niya? Walang produktong kasama yan. Ang binibigay niya lang access. Bibigyan niya yung members niya ng access so that they could shop online kung ano yung mga products available sa Amazon at a very low price. So again, discount din, 'di ba? But question is, nagbabayad ba si Amazon dun sa mga subscribers niya, sa mga members niya? Hindi. Sam's Club is pretty much the same. It's also a discount club. Pero ito naman, $100 a year yung iyong membership fee. Okay? Nagbabayad ba si Sam's? Hindi. Si Netflix, ito, familiar kayo kay Netflix. Netflix is not free. Alright? You actually pay $9.99, $15.49, or $19.99 depende dun sa package or number of users na pinili mo. And mind you, pag hindi ka nakapagbayad ng isang buwan, matatanggal yung access mo sa Netflix. We know very well what Netflix is. Diyan ka makakapanood ng unlimited na movies and series na available na sa kanila. Question, nagbayad ba si Netflix? Binayaran ka ba ni Netflix nung kinuwento mo sa kaibigan mo na, uy, mag-Netflix ka rin, napakaganda ng mga movies? Hindi. Okay? Netflix is pretty much the same with Disney Premium, only si Disney Premium more focused dun sa mga movies and shows nila. Disney Premium is at $10.99 per month or $109.99 per year. Again, pag hindi ka nakapagbayad, tanggal yung access mo. Question, binayaran ka ba ni Disney Premium? Hindi. Now, LiveGood can actually be compared to Costco Wholesale. Ano naman yung Costco Wholesale? Costco Wholesale is pretty much para siyang physical store. Discount din ang offer niya. Access to their store. If you're a member of Costco, meron kang ID whereby pag pinakita mo, pwede kang papasukin doon sa store nila. Pagpasok mo sa store, doon ka mamimili ng mga wholesale items nila. Alright? Magkano yan? $120 per year. Pag ni-refer mo si friend mo kay Costco, do you think Costco would pay you back? No. Okay? Now, these are the different membership club. And how do members pay their membership fee? Through subscription. Ano ba yan subscription? One perfect example for subscription is this Zoom meeting. Through this Zoom meeting, nakakonduct natin tong presentation na to and we are being heard anywhere in the world. Diba? Napaka-convenient niya. And we only pay around, alam ko, yung package of 100 participants dito, nasa $14 lang, $14.99. Right? So, ganun siya kaliit. So, you don't mind paying. Diba? Pero eto, pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalaki ang kita ng isang subscription company. It's $2.65 billion annual revenue. $2.65 billion annual revenue for Zoom. Ganun siya kalaki. Yung $14.99 na binabayad mo kay Zoom, pag pinagsama-sama lahat ng subscribers nila, umaabot ng $2.65 billion. Si Netflix now has over 230.75 million subscribers. Magkano si Netflix kanina? Pagpalagay na natin yung pinakamababa na lang, $9.99. Pero yung kinita niya from the subscription alone, $31.6 billion annual revenue in 2022 alone. Si Costco, sinabi kong pinakamalapit sa Live Good. Costco has around 59 million members household, 107 million cardholders, at yung renewal rate niya napakataas, 88%. Kinita niya from subscription or from membership fee alone, $3.5 billion. Now, why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this kasi ito yung future ng Live Good. Future ng Live Good in such a way na actually mas magiging malaki pa ang Live Good dito. Because all this membership club doesn't pay their members. Live Good is a membership club that pays. Kaya sinasabi ko, magiging mas malaki pa ang Live Good dito. Bakit? Live Good is a membership club. How do we pay our subscription as a member? How do we pay our fees as a member? Through subscription. And these are all subscription companies. Ganon kalaki ang membership club and subscription industry. Magiging ganon kalaki ang Live Good in the future. Ngayon pa lang, tignan mo na yung future kasi ganon kalaki ang magiging business mo. And you would be paid. Babayaran ka ni Live Good for every effort na ilalagay mo rito. How? Through a very powerful compensation plan. Eto na, makinig na kayo. All eyes sa monitor nyo and all ears sa boses ko. Kasi this would discuss how you would earn from Live Good. Our compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a force matrix. Dalawa po yung ating compensation plan structure dyan. Bakit? Kasi we are paid 7 ways. Mamaya papakita ko. And computation of this compensation would base on these two different structures. Ano muna yung unilevel? Ganito yan. Kasi di ba magre-refer tayo ng tao para maging affiliate members natin. Lahat ng directly mare-refer natin goes to our level 1. Infinite wide yan. Meaning, you can refer as many as you want. Okay? Ngayon, yung ni-refer natin, magiging level 2 natin. Yung ni-refer natin, magiging level 3. Up to umabot tayo ng 10 levels deep. Bakit? Because in one of our compensation plan, we will be paid up to 10 levels deep depending on our rank. Okay? Yung isang structure naman is matrix, 2x15 matrix. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin yan, kada isang tao kakabitan lang ni system, sa matrix I'm talking about the matrix, kakabitan lang ni system ng 2 tao in the matrix. So let's say for example, ikaw, nag-refer ka ng 2, sumali sa'yo, ikakabit na ni matrix yon. Sa ilalim mo, 2. However, you decided to refer more. Okay, nagkabit ka pa, nagdagdag ka pa, nag-refer ka pa, naging successful, naging affiliate members din katulad mo. Saan na ilalagay ni matrix yon? Asan lang ilalagay ni system yon sa matrix? Hindi na sa'yo. Ilalagay na dun sa ilalim nung nakalagay sa ilalim mo. Kasi 2 lang ang pwedeng makabit sa isang tao when it comes to matrix. Okay? So ano lang yan? Parang power of 2. 2 yung nakabit sa'yo and then 4 and then 8, 16, 32 and so on up to 15 levels deep. Why? Because we get to be paid up to 15 levels depending on our rank. Okay? Now, this has nothing to do with pyramiding. Ganyan lang talaga ang magiging structure niyan kasi nga 2 lang yung kakabit sa isang tao. Ikaw, kinabitan ng 2, yung 2 mo, kinabitan ng tagalawa. So, magiging triangular siya in shape. Alright? Now, the reason why we have this, I mentioned a while ago, kasi nga dito i-base yung computation ng ways to earn natin ng ating mga commission. We have actually 7 ways to earn. Weekly fast start and retail commission will be based on the unilevel structure. Yung lahat ng direct mo, level 1 mo, direct nila is level 2 mo, direct nila is level 3 mo, and so on. And then unlimited yan, infinite wide yan. You could actually direct as many as you want. And then doon sa matrix naman, yung i-base dyan yung matrix commission. Okay, mamaya i-discuss ko yan. But if you look at the screen, meron tayong matching bonus sa gitna. Kasi yung matching bonus naman, it's a combination of the two structures. Now, we have other ways to earn like influencer bonus, diamond pool bonus, and diamond crown bonus pool. Mamaya i-discuss ko na lang isa-isa yan. Alright? Okay, let's start with the fastest way to earn, the weekly fast start bonus level 10 levels deep. Okay, kaya siya weekly kasi it's being paid weekly. Kaya siya fast kasi ang bilis niya. Alright. So let's say for example, ito kasi yan, 'di ba? Ikaw halimbawa, you're listening, you're not yet an affiliate, but after the presentation, binalikan mo yung sponsor mo or yung nag-invite sa iyo, hiningi mo yung sponsor link niya, nag-register ka, nagbayad ka. Now you're already an affiliate member. And then immediately, bago nag-Friday, immediately talagang nag-refer ka ng mga tao. Now, every person na mare-refer mo, magbabayad din ng $49.95. Just like you did. Just like what you did, right? Ang maganda nito, every successful referral that you would make with Live Good will pay you $25. All right? $25. Automatic yan. And the only requirement that you need is that you are an affiliate member. Affiliate member ka, nag-refer ka ng ibang tao, nag-affiliate member din sila, meron kang $25. That's it. Walang auto shipping, walang quota, walang volume requirement. Kaya nga napakababa nung natin dito nung joining fee. It's only $49.95, wala pang 3,000. 'Di ba? And every time na makakakuha ka ng tao who would pay the same amount, bibigyan ka ng $25. Just think about it. Today is Wednesday. Our cutoff would be Thursday, tomorrow. US time yun So, around Friday at 3 p.m. Mag-join ka ngayon. Kumuha ka ng 2 bukas. Successfully refer them. Pag nag-join sila sa iyo, you get $25 from one, another $25 from the other. By next Thursday, you would receive the $50. Ganun siya kabilis kasi weekly ang releases ng commission dito. Alright? So, now, ito pa. Hindi tayo nagtatapos dun sa mga direct referral mo lang kasi umaabot nga tayo ng 10 levels deep dyan. Remember, infinite wide yan. So, you could actually have, you could refer as many as you can. And every successful referral, meron kang $25. Ngayon, ito, pag nag-bronze ka, bibigyan ka pa dun sa level 2 mo, sa uni-level. Sino yung level 2? Yung refer ng ni-refer mo. Bibigyan ka pa ng $5. Okay, paano ba maging bronze? Kumuha ka lang ng 2. Successfully refer 2 in the program, then you become bronze. You rank up to bronze. Alright? Pag nag-silver ka, up to 4th level ka na. Meron kang 250 on the 3rd, 250 on the 4th. Pag nag-gold ka, up to 6th level na, may 150 ka on the 5th, $1 on the 6th level. Pag platinum ka, you get to enjoy up to 8th level. Meron ka pang $1 sa 7th and 50 cents sa 8th. Ang maganda nito, if you rank up to diamond, you're the only, those are the only rank. They are the only rank who enjoys up to 10th level deep. Okay, they get 50 cents on the 9th level and 50 cents on the 10th level. That's how big fast start bonus are. Okay? Imagine, hindi mo na trabaho na ng trabaho, hindi mo na nga kilala yung nagjo-join sa organization mo, yet you are still being paid. Alright? Now, next is matrix commission, the 2x15 matrix. Paano nga pala yan? 2 lang ikakabit sa'yo, kaya siya mukhang triangular in shape. Yung 2, kakabitan ng 2 ng system. Saan nanggagaling nga pala yung mga napupunta sa matrix mo? Number 1 is yung mga direct referrals mo. Number 2, yung mga direct referrals ng mga direct referrals mo or yung mga people na nag-join through your organization. Number 3, yung mga tao na kinukuha ng mga nag-refer sa iyo dito ay yung mga nasa taas mo. Kasi we belong to a big matrix. Alright? Kahit may sarili-sarili tayong mga matrix, we belong to a big matrix. So definitely, may mga tao sa taas natin. And if they do their business, may spill over run tayo. Alright? Now, ang maganda nito, whether nanggaling sa iyo, nanggaling dun sa mga kinuha mo, or na-spill over sa iyo ng mga taong nasa taas mo, Live Good will pay you 25 cents for every person na magpupunta sa matrix mo. 25 cents, galing man sa'yo o hindi galing sa'yo, bibigyan ka ng 25 cents monthly. Ang release nito is monthly. Provided na yung mga members in your matrix pay their membership fee of $9.95 a month. Alright? So ito, for example, ganito yung magiging itsura ng matrix mo. Magsisimula, ikaw halimbawa si Orange Man, and lahat ng Blue Men belongs to your matrix. So kakabitan ka ni system ng 2, and then yung 2 nasa ilalim mo, kakabitan ni system ng 2, that's 4. 8, 16, 32, 64, all the way up to level 15. Bakit level 15? Before that, na-mention ko kanina, you can earn up to 2,000 even without referring anybody. Let's say, for example, no matter how you try, wala talagang nag-join sa'yo or wala talagang naging successful dun sa mga nire-refer mo to the system. Don't worry about it kasi babayaran ka pa rin ni Livegood dun sa matrix commission mo. Okay? You will be paid up to level 12. Diba? Si level 1 mo, dalawa. Level 2 is 4, level 3 is 8, and so on and so forth. Pag napuno na yung level 12 na yan, umaabot na ng 8,190 people in your organization. And you get to be paid 25 cents per person. So that's a total of $2,047.50. Ngayon, kung hindi ako magre-refer, saan ang galing yon? Eh di dun sa mga taong nasa taas mo. Spillover ang tawag doon. Ang maganda nito, pag yung na-spillover sa'yo, ginawa yung business, mabilis mapupuno yung matrix mo. But don't be contented as a matrix waiter. Instead, ikaw mismo mag-refer ng tao. Bakit? Pag nag-refer ka, mag-rank up ka dito. Ito maganda. If you decide to get 2 and you become bronze, kasi si bronze and silver will get to enjoy up to the 13th level of the matrix. That's a total of $4,095.50. Monthly yan ah. I'm talking about monthly income. Kasi monthly rin naman nagbabayad yung mga members in your matrix eh. Eh di ba we get to paid so long as they pay their $9.95 subscription. So every time they pay, you get $25 from their payment. Diba? So monthly yan. Dire-diretso na yan. Si Golden Platinum gets to enjoy up to 14th level. That's $8,191.50 matrix income alone. And then si Diamond, siya lang yung mag-enjoy ng 15th level. That's $16,383.50. That's around 800,000 pesos month after month after month after month. Diba? And mind you, hindi mo kailangan hintayin mapuno yung matrix mo before you start receiving matrix commission. In fact, malagyan ka ng dalawa, malagyan ka lang kahit isa. Bibigyan ka ni Livegood ng 25 cents. Pag dalawa, 50 cents na. Pag umabot na ng 40 yung tao, dun sa iyong matrix, binabayaran ka na ng $10 ni Livegood. Magkano subscription mo? $9.95 a month. So the moment you have 40 in your matrix, then bayad na yung monthly subscription mo. 'Di ba? Kinikita mo eh. And ang maganda niyan, palaki lang ng palaki yan kasi padagdag lang ng padagdag yung tao sa matrix mo whether you like it or not. The question is, kailan mapupuno yung matrix mo? Kailan mo mai-enjoy yung $2,000 mong income? Well, hindi ko masasagot yan. Pwede siyang magtagal, pwede siyang bumilis. But what I can do is to show you kung paano siya pabilisin. Okay? Simple lang yan. Mag-i-start sa'yo, di ba? The moment you join, immediately get 2 people. You get 2 people on your first week and you teach those people to get their 2 people on their first week. So ano mangyayari niyan? Pag nakuha mo yung dalawa, babalik sa iyo yung $49.95 mo or yung $50 mo, di ba? Kasi 25 each sa fast track. So, nabawi mo kagad yung nilabas mong pera. Yun din yung ituro mo sa kanila. Uy, bawiin mo yung $49.95, kumuha ka ng dalawa, mag-refer ka ng dalawa dito, gawin mo silang affiliate member din, bawi agad yung $50 mo. So what will happen? On the first week, madadagdagan ng dalawa. Second week, 4. Third week, 8. Guess what? On the 12th week, 3 months along the way, meron ng 8,190 people in your matrix. That's the time you start earning your $2,047.50. And palaki lang ng palaki yon. Since nag-refer ka ng dalawa, nag-rank up ka to bronze, umaabot ka na ng level 13, on the 13th week, meron ka ng 16,382 people in your matrix. And your matrix income is already up to $4,095.50. Ganon na siya kalaki. Ganon na siya kaganda. But don't stop at 2. Huwag ka tumigil sa pag-refer ng dalawa lang. What you do, you refer more. Kasi nga dun lang sa sa fast start bonus pa lang, the more you refer, the more income you earn. And mamaya, do sa susunod na ways to earn, makikita mo kung gaano kaganda mag-refer ng tao dito. By the way, in 15 weeks, diamond ka. Puno yung diamond ano mo. Puno na kagad yung, in 15 weeks, puno na yung 2x15 matrix mo. Should this continue to be a culture in your organization? Basta ang usapan lang, the moment you join, dapat meron kang dalawa on your first week. And everybody does it, tuloy-tuloy yan. Sige, pagpalagay na natin hindi mangyari to weekly, gawin na nating monthly. In 1 year and 3 months, puno yung matrix mo. That's $16,000 for you. Month after month after month. And how much did you start with? $49.95. Magkano yung monthly subscription mo? $9.95. Ganyan ka-lucrative yung business natin. Pero matrix income pa lang yan. Ito ang magpapayaman sa'yo, yung matching bonus. Yung nasa gitna ng uni-level tsaka yung matching structure. Di ba? Yung matrix structure. Ano naman yung matching bonus na yan? Ito yan. Di ba sinabi ko, you could sponsor as many as you want. For every successful sponsor that you make na maging affiliate member din ng Live Good, ito maganda. Lahat ng sponsors, ma-sponsor mo kasi dito, they would have their own matrix to fill. Right? Now, since may sarili silang matrix, they would also have their own matrix income. What Live Good does, for every person na may sponsor mo rito, bibigyan ka ni Live Good ng 50% dun sa matrix income nila. Buo nilang matatanggap yung matrix income nila, ima-match lang ni Live Good 50% for you. Okay, just to give you an idea, let's say for example, eto ka, may 4 under your organization na directly mo na refer dun sa program. Now, they started earning under matrix. Yung isa kumita ng 1,000, may $500 ka. Yung isa kumita ng 500, may 250 ka. Yung isa kumita ng 100 lang, may 50 ka pa rin. Yung isa kumita ng 200, may 100 ka. Ang maganda nito, unlimited yung pwede mong ma-sponsor dito. So unlimited din yung pwede mong maging kitaan dito sa matching bonus na to. Okay? And na-mention ko kanina, up to 5 generations deep to. Paano ba yan? Di ba meron kang 50% of their matrix dun sa direct referral mo. The moment you become silver, you get to enjoy up to the first generation and second generation 10%. Meaning, dun sa ni-refer nila, meron ka pa rin kita. And then when you rank up to gold, up to third generation yan, may tagpa 5% ka, to platinum, up to fourth generation. Now, if you become a diamond, you get to enjoy up to fifth generation, 3% all the way up to fifth generation. Okay, percentage to, baka naguguluhan kayo. Let me show you monetary value. Okay. Yung first generation, let's say direct sponsor mo, nag-direct ka ng 10. Yung 10, so there are 10 people in your team. Kumikita na lang ng $100 sa matrix nila. May 50% ka, that's $50. Eh 10 sila, that's $500 for you. Okay? Now, yung 10 mo, kumuha ng 10, silver ka na. Kumuha sila ng 10, that's an additional 100 people in your matrix. $100 na lang yung matrix matrix income nitong 100 na to. May 10% ka, that's $10. Eh 100 sila, $1,000 for you. Okay? So let's say yung 100 kumuha ng tag 10, that's 1,000. $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix nila, may 5% ka pa rin, $250 each. If 1,000 sila, that's $2,500. Pag platinum ka na, let's say yung 1,000 na huling nag-join dun sa organization mo, kumuha ng tag 5, that's an additional 5,000 people in your matrix, di ba? Kumikita na lang sila ng $50 din. 5% sa iyo pa rin yan. That's $250. Umaabot na ng $12,500 yung kikitain mo on that generation. Eh, diamond ka na. Tapos yung 5,000, kumuha rin ng tag 5. That's 25,000 people additional in your organization. $30 na lang kasi medyo malalim na sila. $30 na lang yung matrix income nila. May 3% ka pa. That's 90 cents. That's a total of $22,500. So for a single month, for matching bonus alone, kaya mong kumita ng $39,000. Okay? Just to give you an idea kung gaano kalaki si matching bonus compared kay matrix. Ito actual income na to. Okay? Ayan, for the March, by the way, this is an income of one of our coaches. Hindi ko na i-disclose kung sino siya. Okay? Nung March 1 to 31, ang matrix bonus niya is $225.25. But look at the matching bonus. $661.70. Ganyan kalaki yung matching bonus niya kasi marami siyang direct referral dito. Maraming nag-join sa kanya dito. That's how good referring the business to others would be. Okay? Nung April 1 to 30, umangat na yung matrix niya ng $689.50 pero yung matching niya times 5 na. Total of 3,429.14 cents. Ito maganda. Nung nag-May, May 1 to 31, 1,106 na yung matrix income niya. Pero yung matching bonus niya, 7,591.11 cents. That's 7 times more than the matrix income. So why would you settle for the matrix income when matching bonuses are much, much bigger? And how do you get matching bonuses? By referring people to the program. Kaya kami, ini-encourage namin talaga for you to do, to refer people to the program. Let's say, for example, meron kang 30 directs. Ito, hindi na natin bibilangin yung ibang generation. Yun na lang sa direct mo. You have 30 directs, each of them earning 6,000 in the matrix. 50% of that is 3,000. Meron kang 30, that's $90,000 month after month after month. Magkano yan in peso? 5,040,000 pesos monthly income. With this kind of income, talagang lahat ng pangarap mo matutupad na. Pangarap ng mga anak mo matutupad na rin. Okay, let's say for example, 20 na lang yung directs mo tapos lahat sila hindi nag-refer. Hindi nag-refer, naghintay na lang talaga mapuno yung matrix na. Time will come, mapupuno rin eh. So aabot yung matrix income nila ng $2,047.50. Magkano yung 50% niyan? That's $1,023.75. 20 sila. That's $20,475. Magkano yan in peso? 1,146,600 peso month after month after month. Okay? Now, meron at meron talaga na magsasabi sa'yo, sasali ako sa'yo kasi pagbibigyan kita. Pero hindi ko gagawin yung business. If that's the case, humingi ka na lang ng pabor. Sabi mo, okay, fine, I respect that. Pero pwede, bigyan mo ako ng favor, not just for me, but for you as well. Ipasok mo yung dalawang family member mo, yung anak mo, tsaka yung asawa mo. Here's what will happen. As bronze, may enjoy niya yung 13th level ng matrix. So yung matrix income niya, abot na ng $4,095.50. Yung dalawang family member niya would receive $2,047.50 on their matrices. Diba? That's a total of $4,095. Meron ka pang 50% matching bonus dun sa dalawang family member mo. That's $2,047.50. Pag tinotal mo yan, that's a total of $10,238 monthly income. Family income na yan. Kasi sa iyo rin naman malamang yung dalawang yon di ba? Pinangalan mo lang sa asawa mo tsaka sa anak mo, pero ikaw din yung nagbabayad ng subscription na yan. Now, your friend would thank you. Kasi instead of just receiving $2,047.50, which is around 100,000 pesos, yung monthly income niya ngayon lalaki up to 573,328 pesos month after month after month. Alright? Talagang magpapasalamat sa iyo to just because sinuggest mo to. At pag ginawa niya to, ang laki ng difference dun sa magiging income niya. Alright? Pero dito sa ating group, the Dreammaker Worldwide, meron tayong vision. And our vision is 100 solid direct referrals. Ano yung solid direct referrals? Meaning, one team, one dream. If your dream is to become diamond, dapat lahat ng referral mo, 100 of them, is to become diamond as well. And one day, marireach nyo yung dream na yan. All of you will become diamond. Each one of you would be earning $16,383.50 in your matrix, di ba? 50% of that is 8,191.75 and you have 100 diamonds direct referral under you. That's a total of $819,175. $45,873,800 pesos month after month after month. Pag ganito na kalaki income mo, hindi lang dreams ng family mo, pangarap ng community mo, pangarap ng lahat ng taong nakapaligid sa iyo, kaya mo nang tuparin. Alright? Eto, let's say for example, tuloy-tuloy ka lang, natuwa ka, tuloy-tuloy kang nagre-refer ng tao, pa isa-isa, padala-dalawa, umabot ng 1,000 yung direct referrals mo. Each of your referral earning 6,000 na lang in their matrix. 50% of that is 3,000 times 1,000, that's $3 million month after month after month. So I'm telling you, just stay in the program, consistently pay your subscription, darating at darating to sa'yo. Magkano yan in peso? 168 million pesos. Ganon kalaki, ganon ka-lucrative yung business na to. And magkano to start this business? Magkano to become an affiliate member? $49.95. Wala pang 3,000. Magkano yung monthly subscription? $9.95. 580. 20 pesos a day savings. May sukli ka pang 20. Alright? Now, question, paano mag-rank up? Kasi na-mention ko kanina, yung pampabilis ng matrix, di ba? You get to, tell them to get through. Eto ngayon, this is the strategy to rank up fast. Instead of just getting 2, you get 3 on your first week. And you teach those 3 to get their 3 on their second week. And you teach those 3 to get their 3, or teach those 3 to get their 3. Nakuha nyo? So, tatlo-tatlo ngayon instead na dala-dalawa lang. This is what will happen to your organization. Una, nag-iisa ka, madadagdagan ka ng 3. On the second week, madadagdagan ng 9, 27, 81, 243. On the 7th week, umaabot na ng 3,079 people in your organization. Diamond ka na. Diamond ka na. Yes, 7th week pa lang, diamond ka na. Ngayon, pag tinuloy-tuloy pa yan, naging kultura na doon sa organization nyo, lahat ng papasok, kukuha ng 3, dire-diretso lang. On the 11th week, umaapaw yung matrix mo. Ang dami nyo ng people na nabe-bless sa inyong organization. Alright? Pagpalagay na nating monthly to, on the 7th month, masama pa ba yun? 7th month, magiging diamond ka? No, it's not. No, it's not. So instead of just getting 2 and teaching them to get 2, get 3. Teach them to get 3. And make it weekly. Kasi meron tayong essence of urgency dito. 'Di ba? Nakita niyo naman yung mga salary nung Diamond, 'di ba? Talagang makikita mo mas maganda ikaw din makaka-receive ng ganon. Now there are still other ways to earn the retail commission 10 levels deep. Dito naman, remember yung retail price tsaka members price may difference. 50% of that goes to you every time you sell a product in retail. Okay, what do I mean? Let's say, for example, the retail price is 18, the member's price is 8, the difference is 10, meron kang $5 pag nakabenta ka at retail price. How do you sell at retail price? You just send your shop link. Okay, doon sila mamimili, the customer will be buying at retail price, alam na ni system na sa'yo sila bumili. Now, this could be up to 10 levels deep. Okay, as you rank up. So pag nag-bronze ka na, you get to enjoy up to second level, meron ka pang 2%, meron ka pang 10%. And then pag nag-silver ka, yung direct mo, hindi mo na kilala yan, pero you still get to enjoy up to fourth level. May 5% and 5% ka on the third and fourth. If you become gold, up to 6th level na yung enjoyment mo. Platinum, up to 8. Diamond, up to 10th levels deep. Alam mo yon, hindi na ikaw yung nagbebenta, hindi mo na customer, hindi mo na nga kilala yung tao nasa ilalim mo, lalo na yung customer niya. Yet you get to enjoy commission. Ang tawag dyan, passive income na. Because passive income is the income generated with minimal or no participation in the business at all. And that's what's happening to you. Alright? Meron din tayong tinatawag na influencer bonus. Ano yan? Halimbawa, sikat ka na sa TikTok, sikat ka na sa YouTube, influencer ka na, may followers ka na. And you know what your followers would do? They would follow everything you said. Kung gawin mo lang, magtimpla ka ng kape, inumin mo yung kape, tapos sabihin mo, bumili kayo ng kape sa akin. Click nyo yung shop link ko sa baba, doon kayo umorder. So what will happen? Siyempre, mas malaki yung sales mo as compared to others. Let's say your monthly sales reach 2,500, meron kang additional 10%. Yung 50% magiging 60 na. Pag naging 5,000 yan, may additional 20, magiging 70 na. Pag umabot ng 10, plus additional 30, magiging 80% na. Pag umabot ng 25, additional 40, 90% na yung commission mo, yung difference between retail price and members price. Ang maganda niyan, pag umabot ng 50,000 yung monthly retail sales mo, the company will give you the whole difference. Kasi ang idadagdag niya, 50%. May 50% ka pang originally. That's a total of 100%. So yung difference ng lahat ng nabenta mo, ibibigay na sa'yo ng company. Alright. Ngayon, sinabi ko kanina, talagang lahat tayo dapat mag-diamond. Bakit? Kasi meron tinatawag na diamond bonus pool. 2% of the total sales from all members and product sales is divided equally among all Diamond Ranks affiliate and is paid monthly commission. Right now, we have over 30 diamonds. Okay? Lahat sila nag-share dun sa 2% na to. Ang tawag namin dito, profit sharing. Okay, dito completely wala na silang kinalaman dun sa negosyo kasi negosyo na ni Live Good to. Sinishare lang sa mga diamond natin. Ang tanong ko, bakit hindi pa tayo diamond? Why are you not even aiming to become a diamond? Okay, kasi ako I'm aiming to become one and I'm planning to be one before the year ends. Alright? Bakit? Para kasama na ako dyan sa diamond bonus pool na yan. To give you an idea, ang diamonds natin, mga diamond natin, we have actually 8 in the Philippines already, umaabot na ng $6,000 or more yung kanilang kinikita sa diamond bonus pool alone. Bukod pa yung matrix income nila, bukod pa yung fast track, weekly fast start nila, bukod pa lahat yon. Meaning, meron na silang guaranteed income na on the average around 300,000 pesos. Alright? Pero ba't ka makukontento mag-diamond? Merong Crown Diamond bonus pool. As Crown Diamond, you get to enjoy 0.5% of the total sales of all members and product sales divided equally among Crown Diamond. Okay? So far, we only have 2 Crown Diamonds in the whole world and we're proud to say na isa dyan ay ating coach dito sa Pilipinas. Alright? And if I'm not mistaken, they get to have 5-digit in dollars, 5-digit in the last Crown Diamond bonus pool. Ganyang kalaki ang Crown Diamond bonus pool na yan. So don't be contented by just becoming a diamond. Be a Crown Diamond. Yan na yung magiging target natin from now on. Alright? Ang maganda nito, yung mga diamond na yan, by the way, si Crown Diamond, meron pa rin siyang, kasama pa rin siya dun sa Diamond bonus pool. Meron pa rin siyang matrix income. Meron pa rin siyang matching bonus. Meron pa rin siyang fast start bonus. So, on top of all na yan, ang tawag dyan profit sharing. Now, each of these people, lahat tong mga diamond na to, si Tim Miller, our first Crown Diamond, Fernan Santiago, our second Crown Diamond, they all started just like us, affiliate members. Lahat tayo nag-start sa affiliate members. What am I saying? What I'm saying is, we have the very same chance that they had. Tinrabaho lang nila kaya sila naging Crown Diamond, kaya rin natin. Okay? Kaya ambisyonin natin maging diamond. Ambisyonin natin maging Crown Diamond. Okay? Let's invite people to join us in Live Good. And how do we entice them? Give them this reason. Top 4 reasons to join. We have just officially launched. Batang-bata pa tayo. 8 months pero ang laki ng growth natin. Very exponential. Okay? We have high-quality products. Very affordable health products. Dito kaya na nating magpaka-healthy. So hindi lang tayo magiging wealthy, magiging healthy pa tayo. And as what they say, if you're healthy and wealthy, definitely you would be happy. All right? And then marketing system and tools and trainings. Ito po, isa sa mga tools available for you. Ako nagpe-present, ako namamaos, ako magko-close. Yet sa inyo ang account. All you need to do is invite people to join this. Tapos meron din tayong weekly Zoom, both international and weekly Zoom training, both international and local. We have YouTubes everywhere. We have pages everywhere. Pwede kayong mag-copy-paste post doon. Alright? So talagang everything is provided for you to become diamond. All ang hinihintay na lang, ikaw to take action. And enjoy the most simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan as I have discussed kanina. Ganun kalaki yung potential income dito. Alright? Right now, we have high-quality products, 19 of them with very low prices. Pero we're just starting. Kasi what will happen is Live Good will add more products and service in the near future. Live Good will be the Amazon of network marketing. Okay, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang tayo. Pero yung growth natin ganun kalaki. We started in December with 2,000 people. Now we're already at 600,000. And in 2023 of December of this year, lalagpas at lalagpas tayo ng 1 million members. Right? Kasi ganun kaganda eh. Ganun kaganda yung programa natin eh. And yung pinakita kong mga ibang club membership na hindi naman nagbabayad, mas magiging malaki tayo doon. We're actually expecting or ang vision natin, projection natin, we could reach up to 100 million members or even a billion in the years to come. Kaya napakaganda nung timing na narinig mo tong presentation na to, pero the decision is still up to you. If I were you, I would decide to do the business now. Kasi tatlo lang naman yan eh. You could either be an A, B, or C. A is you want to become an affiliate member and enjoy everything na na-discuss ko dito. B is you just want to become a member and enjoy just the discount. Okay lang yon. Or C, you just want the products and you're willing to pay retail customer. Marami ka naman pera. Okay lang din yon. Pero if you were to ask me, become an affiliate member, ambition to rank up, bring as many people as you can in the program, and enjoy all the benefits of an affiliate member. Okay, so what do you do now? You go back to the person who invited you, tell them that you are an A. You are an affiliate member. All right? So, let me leave you with this. Let me leave you with this. Nasabi ko na kanina, lahat ng diamonds na kilala natin ngayon, lahat ng yung dalawang crown diamonds na alam natin kung sino, they all started as an affiliate member. If you're not an affiliate member yet, then take that first step and become an affiliate member. Kasi yun na yung magiging future mo when you do the business. Doon naman sa mga affiliate members na have that urgency. Kasi right now, they're enjoying the benefit eh. Papayag ka bang sila lang yung nag-e-enjoy nung profit sharing? Eh samantalang you also have the right over it kasi isa ka ng affiliate member ngayon. Di ba? Have the urgency. Invite more people. Join more people to the program and become diamond one day. Become a crown diamond one day. All right? So I'll be leaving you with that. And the decision is really up to you. Ako, ambition ko yan. That's my goal. That's my goal. And I'm not taking my eyes off my goals. And I would continue to do until I reach my goal, and I would be continuing to do this business so that I would be able to help others become diamonds, become crown diamonds themselves. All right? Kaya nga yung team namin ang tawag Millionaire Maker. Kaya nga we belong to the bigger team, ang tawag Dream Maker Worldwide. Ganon kasi tayo. We're making dreams come true. Alright, so thank you very much. Again, this is Mon Reyes, your friendly coach here in Live Good. You go back to the person who invited you, tell them that you are A, and join us now as an affiliate member. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. This opportunity is only $49.95, less than 3,000 pesos. Hindi ka na makakakita ng same opportunity. You might not be able to find the same opportunity in your lifetime. So grab this opportunity now kasi this is really for you. The reason na napakinggan mo yung ating presentation all throughout is because para sa iyo to eh. All you need to do is grab it. Pero yung pag-grab, nasa sayo pa rin. Yung pagkuha, nasa sayo pa rin. Yung pagsali, nasa sayo pa rin. So, I hope I'll be able to help you make your decision. Kasi wala kang pagkatalo dito talaga. 'Di ba? Kumuha ka lang ng dalawa, bawi na yung ginastos mo eh. Tapos tuloy-tuloy mo lang yon, mas malaki pa yung magiging income mo. And forget about the income. Lahat ng maipapasok mo rito, definitely mababago mo yung buhay nila. Kaya dito we're people helping others, or people helping people business. The more people we help, the more business goes to us. The more successful we become in our business. All right? So again, thank you very much. And